Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. I hope you have a happy day today. Today I didn't open my shop. I came to my native place because today election going on in Kerala. Today from Thrissur to Kasargod election going on today. That's why I had to do vote. That's why I came to my native place and I did my vote. 2 days ago, from Kochi to Trivandrum, election completed. Today, from Thrissur to Kasargod, election going on. And very early morning, I came to my native place and I did my vote. And after I came to my friend house, and I am simple sitting in his house. That's why I am creating this video. And I think you have also so many other activities. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.